Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
This Central Machinery disc sander I did an unboxing on my last video, and now I've got it all put together and I've been using it. So go ahead and take a look and I'll show you how it works. This Central Machinery disc sander works great, and now I've got it all put together and I've been using it. And I've got a project going here where I'm making some what's commonly called mop brushes, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a sneak peek preview of where I'm going with this. Now, I'm not moving very fast because it took me 3 months to get around to unboxing this, but nonetheless I'm making some progress and with my mop brushes. And I was doing some sanding here on my Tinker Toys. I have these Tinker Toys that I'm using for my mop brushes. Here's my first rendition right here, this handle I just made. Got other various ideas for handles, and you can see it articulates in and out. Well, this was a fail, because with all these connections on here, this thing just kind of flops around, see there? So if you try to put it on your meat wide, you know, just don't have any control over it. Basically, it just spins around like that. So, neat idea, failed. I like the way I put my Pappy's Corner. This has all been polyurethane. And I washed this in the dishwasher to sterilize it, and little chunks of cotton just came off here. Look at that. I can just pull off pieces of cotton. You don't want that in your food. So this was some mop head replacement I purchased for a mop. And I realized I've got a mop hanging over there that it's all stringy and crappy looking, and kind of makes me wonder how much cotton ends up on the floor when I'm mopping the floor. So I ended up going, I'm going to try some of these more, they have some cotton and nylon, different styles and types of these. And here's one I'm working on now. I cut off the first joint here on the articulating unit here and made myself static length, right? You can't pull it in or out, but you can turn it and articulate it around like so. And I think this will work much better. You won't have that flopping around problem, see, like this. It will turn, but there's a screw and a nut there you can tighten for how tight that can be there before it'll turn. So yeah, this is a screwdriver type handle and a little lanyard on here for a mop brush. My second rendition, I need to get my PappysCorner symbol polyurethaned on there, but yeah, this is still in the works. And so I was hoping maybe some of my outdoorsy guys could send me some deer antlers. So if you can do that, why I'll give you my address. Just email me and I'll send you a mop brush with a deer antler on it. How's that sound? So remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.